How to make background transparent in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Canva application. After that, create a design of your choice first. The main process is while saving it. So first, simply create any design, and while downloading, what you will have to do is download it with transparent background. You will get an option of transparent background when you download it. So there, let's see if there is the option or not in my account. Simply tap on this download icon, and then here you will get an option of save as image, and also you will get the option to choose your background. Simply check on the transparent background box and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.